Hello, my friend. Welcome back to another long, calm English shadowing session. Today, I want to share something special, something powerful, but in a peaceful, friendly way. This lesson is inspired by the ideas behind the 48 Laws of Power. We will explore simple, safe, everyday lessons about confidence, communication, self-control, and understanding people, all while improving your English. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin this powerful English journey together. Power is not about control. Power is not about fear. True power starts inside you. It begins with clarity, calmness, and confidence in your voice. Today, I will guide you through ideas inspired by the mindset of powerful people. People who know how to speak clearly, think slowly, and act with intention. Repeat after me. I speak with calm confidence. My voice is strong and clear. I choose my words carefully. When you speak English, you may feel nervous. You may feel your mind freeze. You may feel small. But today, you will practice speaking like someone who carries inner power. Not loud power, not aggressive power, but quiet, controlled confidence. One idea we learn from powerful people is very simple. Silence is strength. People who feel insecure speak too fast. People who feel calm speak slowly. Repeat. I can pause when I need to. I can pause when I need to. Silence helps me think. Imagine you are in a conversation. Someone asks you a question. Instead of panicking, you take a small breath and answer slowly. This is real power. Here is a shadowing exercise. Let me think for a moment. That's a good question. Here is my opinion. I'd like to share my thoughts. These are sentences powerful communicators use every day. Every strong communicator understands attention. Where your attention goes, your power goes. Today, put all your attention into your English. Let the words flow like water. Let your mind relax and absorb everything. Repeat. I focus on this moment. I am here. I am learning. A powerful person never rushes. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be present. Imagine a room full of noise and stress, but you remain calm. Your voice stays steady. Your English flows naturally. That is true control. One of the deepest ideas we can take from the theme of power is emotional stability. When you control your emotions, you control your decisions. When you control your decisions, you control your life. So here is a simple practice. I stay calm in difficult moments. I respond, not react.
Let's practice a short emotional control script. Imagine someone disagrees with you. Instead of getting angry, you choose calm English. I understand your point. Let's look at this together. Here is how I see it. These sentences are not only English, they are tools of power. Powerful people have presence. Presence is not about beauty, fame, or money. Presence is how you enter a room, how you stand, how you speak, how you breathe. Let's practice presence in English. I am confident when I speak. I choose clear and simple words. My English grows every day. Now imagine someone meets you for the first time. They listen to your English. They see your calmness. They feel your confidence. You don't need to raise your voice. You don't need to prove anything. Because quiet confidence is stronger than loud insecurity. Let me tell you a short, simple story inspired by the mindset found in the 48 Laws of Power. There was a young man named Daniel. Daniel wanted to speak English with confidence, but he always rushed his words. He felt small in conversations. He felt invisible. One day, Daniel met an old mentor. The mentor said, "Power begins when you slow down. Power grows when you choose silence. And power shines when your words match your thoughts." Daniel practiced every day. He slowed his breathing. He spoke calmly. He listened deeply. And little by little, Daniel became someone others respected, not because he was loud, but because he carried quiet power. Quiet strength is real strength. I can become like Daniel. My friend, thank you for spending this time with me. You practiced English, but you also practiced something deeper. Calmness, confidence, and inner power. If you enjoyed this peaceful English learning experience, please like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me, which sentence helped you feel more confident today? I will reply to as many comments as I can. You did a great job today. See you in the next lesson.